This is no ordinary change being witnessed in many of the rural areas of Bihar, where the families lacked access to essential health and nutrition services, lived without safe drinking water and proper sanitation. A silent transformation is taking place through the community intervention. Gram Varta. This is a story of Kalanor, a small village in Jahanabad district of Bihar. Among many villages, Kalanor is also witness to the change. Gram Varta started in Kalanor with women self-help groups under Barabar Federation of Women Development Corporation. The intervention has a 20 structured meeting cycle and was designed to trigger women to come out in the open and lead the discussions on their health, nutrition, and other issues concerning them and their families. Gram Varta uses a participatory learning approach where the community gets together to identify and prioritize local health problems and develop strategies for action. In Kalanor, the community identified diarrhea, malaria, and malnutrition among children as major issues concerning their village. The community, while identifying the issues, realized that they lacked proper care for their young ones. There was waterlogging in their surroundings and they did not practice hygiene. Open defecation was rampant. Only 25 of the 505 households had toilets. The community women developed the strategy to deal with the situation. Devlata, resident of the village, said that during meetings, she realized the importance of proper disposal of child's feces, cleanliness in her surroundings, hand washing, and using properly clean utensils. She said she washes her hands every time she cooks. The intervention drives participants to think critically and relate the problem with its causes. During the execution of the strategy agreed by the community, the demand for services increased. The community realized the importance of a household toilet, and today, all the households have toilets of their own. Kalavati Devi, a resident of the village and physically challenged, says that the change has been a boon for people like her. She does not have to depend on anyone to take her out. The interactive games under the intervention, such as piggyback and power walk, conveys the message of shared responsibility instead of complete dependence on the government, while the stick game symbolizes strength in unity. There is extensive discussion on the vicious cycle of malnutrition from one generation to the next. Baby Devi, a Gram Varta beneficiary, says that she learned a lot about childcare practices and nutrition. Drastic change was seen in seeking nutrition services at the Anganwadi center of the village, where Promila Sinha, Anganwadi worker at Kalanor village, said that earlier she had to call mothers of the children to the center to brief them about their child's growth. But now things have changed. Mothers come to the center on their own for monitoring growth of their children and even ask if the weight of their child is appropriate. The sudden spur in health-seeking behavior and increase in demand for toilets prompted the district magistrate to visit the village. The village women shared their plight due to waterlogging and demanded for proper drainage. Impressed with the positive change in the attitude of the villagers, the district magistrate accepted the demand raised by the women. The women of Kalanor are proud of the drainage system and concrete roads in their village. The change is not limited to health-seeking behaviors. Through the process of meetings and dialogue, the village realizes the importance of development and education. Akhilesh Manjhi, who belongs to the Mahadalit community, is among the many others who have benefited by the initiative taken by the Barabar Federation to provide solar power to the 40 Mahadalit habitats. Akhilesh Manjhi says that they live in hay huts and had to use earthen lamps to light their homes, and incidents of fire was common in their habitation. Ever since they have solar-powered lights, their lives have changed. Now, their children can study and they no more have to fear losing their hard-earned belongings in case of fire. The village is also witness to social change. The women are now standing against the age-old customs and realizing the importance of education to good health and prosperity. Dulari came to know of Gram Varta through other participants and was motivated to attend. In one of the meetings she attended, she got to participate in an interactive game which was on the importance of right age of marriage. She has a daughter in her early teens. Her in-laws and distant relatives kept pressing for the marriage of their daughter. She convinced her husband to let their daughter pursue her studies and marry her at the right age. She says with pride that her daughter rides a bicycle to school, which she was provided through the Chief Minister's bicycle scheme. Gram Varta has given voice to the women. Kumud, who is now associated with the intervention as a facilitator, says that her knowledge on health, nutrition, hygiene and sanitation has increased and feels empowered with the awareness that she now has. Gram Varta has created livelihood opportunities for her as a facilitator and has generated a sense of confidence in her. While the changes were happening silently in the rural areas of Bihar, the women were becoming aware and were realizing the cause of poverty and reasons for violence at home. It was on the 9th of July in the year 2015 at Patna and in the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Nitish Kumar that the Gram Varta women demanded for a ban on liquor in the state. Gram Varta has empowered the women to influence a policy-level change. Bihar is now a liquor-free state. The women feel happier, empowered to bring change, and hymns in praise can be heard as the sun sets to bring new sunshine tomorrow.